for this recipe, you're going to need a can of chicken, a can opener to open the chicken. I already opened the chicken. And the chicken's in the pan. You also need the pan. Half a pepper, doesn't matter what color. Half an onion, a cutting board, a knife, a fork, a bowl, and probably this to stir it. So what you want to do first is open your can of chicken and dump it in the pan. And then just leave that sit while you cut up the veggies. So let's get started. Let's cut up the veggies. So you're gonna just cut it kind of small, kind of medium size. You don't want them too small, so medium. So I'm just doing them how I would normally do them. So this is a mess. Okay, so I got them cut. Now it's time to put them in the bowl. I already have my onions cut up. Now I'm going to put them in the bowl. Not fresh red pepper. Mine's frozen, but it was fresh at one time. It's not that old, so I thought it'd be good to use. And I have new ones if I need them in the freezer. So now you want the pepper. My pepper's really soggy because it's been out for a while. So I'm cutting this. And this meal doesn't take very long. It's actually kind of my lunch. I already kind of had lunch, so this is kind of just like a snack. If it's soft enough, lay it out like so. And then it'll be a lot easier to cut. Mine's really hard to cut because it's like gummy. Not really gummy, but like soft, so it's hard. I got nobody but I'm trying to be funny. And these are the size pieces I'm cutting them in, so you can cut them in these sizes. So that's the size that I'm cutting it. So I don't have very much pepper, but I'm not making very much. So this is for about one batch. But one batch isn't it's not a lot, so yeah. Now you're gonna wanna chop up the chicken. So trying to get the left hand not working so well. So now you can see and hear me. So now so you want to chop it up before you turn the burner on. But don't try to chop it up. You can't, it doesn't work for it. Here's what I try to chop it up in this. So yeah. So yeah. And 1 can of my chicken, it's like, that's all chopped up. 1 can is 13 ounces. So, yeah. Alright, now our chicken is all chopped up. See that? Now we're turn the burner on. I don't know my phone. Okay, so then you're gonna brown the chicken up a little bit, and then dump the veggies in, stir it up. You wanna put some seasoning on, and stuff like that. So, yeah. Okay, so this is like browning and stuff. You can also do the veggies when you do. Well, this is like heating up browning and stuff. I would suggest that. So then you want to get your pepper and like start browning the chicken, flipping it over so the other side gets it, and get it in the center. And you don't want to get your seasoning, so I'm just going to get my seasonings out and warming up. Okay, for your seasoning. So, probably put a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of crushed red pepper. A little bit of cayenne pepper. And maybe a little bit of garlic powder. That might be it. But you might want to put a teensy bit of salt. Or also this adobo. Adobo is a really nice seasoning. This is a good one. You know, this is not pure salt. Don't put pure salt. You're not going to like it. You don't dry the chicken out either. That's if you put it too long. So this is actually doing really well. And I need to do that. And it's browning up really well. Now it's pretty brown. Our temperature is heated. So it's getting heated. So now I'm gonna put this seasoning on. So I'm gonna put just sprinkle it in. And then that's it. So I don't want these measurements. Gosh, I like it very much. Let's see. So you can't forget anything now. You know I want to stay. Just saying. Thank you. You got it. You got it. How long is this fan? feel like it's very much. So weird. And we're just gonna mix that for a bit. And let it sit in it. You don't like the seasonings on it, you know. I'm just gonna go with it. It looks pretty good. See how it colored. And then now it's like pretty good. Once that is all cooked, we are now going to stick the veggies in. It's onions and peppers. Yeah, and you're gonna want to do those in that and the seasonings. And the seasonings will go into those. And my onions are really good, so I have to do this. This looks done. It's pretty much done. I'm just gonna hold the gas an hour. And turn the light on. And put the fan on. Now it might be a little bit harder to hear me. So sorry about that. That's yeah. This is done. Now, yeah, turn the burner off. And please have supervision by your parents. Mama's like, I need to make it out. Oh, that's what I'm doing. Parents and I know how to cook. Just clarifying that. So, this meal is done. So, I'm going to show you guys. So, I'm going to have this, and we're going to look at this tasty meal. So, you probably thought it was really good. I know it's making popping noise. So, yeah. So, it was really, really good. So, I can yum yum. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. Still popping, okay. So, you wanna get a plate or a bowl or something? Yeah. There's too much. I have to clean.